Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're taking a shortcut, a pretty alarming one, right into the insurance industry's playbook.
We are.
Our mission is to decode what we're calling the insurance adjuster's secret dictionary. Basically how everyday English words get, well, weaponized after a car accident to lower your payout.
And that's the key thing you have to grasp. There's this total disconnect.
Right.
You, the policyholder, are talking about the facts of what happened. The adjuster, on the other hand, is only thinking about one thing: liability exposure, risk mitigation. They are not on a fact-finding mission.
They're on a cost control mission.
Exactly. And our sources show they are absolutely not just winging it. This is a very specific, time-tested strategy.
So what's the foundation of that strategy?
It really boils down to what's known as the 3Ds: delay, deny, and defend.
Okay.
Delay the process to make you desperate. Deny fault or coverage whenever possible. And finally, defend the company's money by paying the absolute minimum for your injuries. Those three things frame every single conversation.
Okay, so let's get into the first trap, the one almost everyone encounters right away. The adjuster says, I just need a quick recorded statement to close the file. What's the real agenda there?
The agenda is to get damaging evidence on the record.
Before you've even had a chance to think.
Or hire a lawyer. It directly serves the deny part of the 3Ds. We call the main tactic here the I'm fine fallacy.
Wait a second, though. If you're in an ER, doctors are documenting everything. How can some casual phone recording possibly outweigh actual medical proof?
Adrenaline. It's all about adrenaline. In the moments after a crash, almost everyone instinctively says they're okay or fine.
Because you're in shock.
You're in shock, and you don't feel the real pain yet. Soft tissue injuries, whiplash, herniated discs, those often take a full 24, maybe 48 hours to really manifest.
And that recording?
That recording gets played months later in a deposition or in court as proof that you were in fact fine on the day of the crash. It's used to completely invalidate your medical claims.
So your own words are turned into a weapon against you almost immediately.
Instant.
So what's the one non-negotiable thing a listener needs to do?
It's simple. You are never, ever legally required to give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. A polite no is the only safe answer.
Okay, so you refuse the statement, they pivot, and the next phrase sounds, well, almost helpful. We accept liability for the accident. That sounds like a win.
It's designed to sound like a win. It's a psychological tactic to get you to lower your guard.
So what do they actually mean?
What they mean is, okay, we admit our driver's car made contact with your car. That's it. They are not admitting that the crash caused your expensive medical bills. They strategically bifurcate the case.
They split.
They split it. So they'll happily pay, say, $500 for the scratch on your bumper.
To build trust.
Right, to build trust. But then they'll fight you tooth and nail on the $50,000 neck surgery. They use the low impact, low injury argument. They claim a little fender bender couldn't possibly cause such a serious injury.
And they blame it on something else, an old sports injury, anything.
Exactly. So accepting liability is maybe half the battle. The real fight is proving causation, that the crash directly caused the injury. That's the part they deny.
Which brings us to the third, and maybe the most direct trap. You don't need a lawyer. We'll treat you fairly.
I mean, this is just pure risk mitigation on their part. They're trying to stop you from bringing a professional to the negotiation.
So they can pay. What did the sources call it?
Nuisance value, not full value. Look, the economics on this are just stark. The settlements with attorneys are orders of magnitude higher, even after you account for legal fees.
How big a discount are they shooting for?
It can be huge. An adjuster might offer an unrepresented person, say, $5,000 on a case that they privately know is worth $50,000. That's a 90% discount for the company.
Wow.
So if an adjuster ever tells you not to hire a lawyer, that is the single biggest red flag. It's the best sign that you absolutely need one, and fast.
So wrapping this all up, what our deep dive shows is that the insurance system is really a billion-dollar machine. It's designed to protect its own bottom line, and the adjuster is speaking a language that, the average person has no reason to know.
That's right. And so the most profitable sentence you can possibly say when that adjuster calls is simply, "Thank you, please direct all future calls to my lawyer."
You just put up a firewall.
It creates that immediate necessary boundary. And that leaves us with, a final thought for you to consider.
Okay.
If the real goal of that conversation is risk mitigation, not fact-finding, what other common conversations are you having every day where the true mission is actually hidden behind plain, simple language? Something to think about.